This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lady Xavier. New roof, new AC, new water heater, new appliances. Welcome to this beautifully maintained home in a quiet and desirable Port Saint Lucie neighborhood. This move-in ready property features an open floor plan with tile throughout and an updated kitchen with ample counter space and storage. Enjoy peace of mind with major upgrades completed in 2023, including a fresh interior paint, and a whole house water filtration system. The home offers comfortable bedrooms, updated bathrooms, and a large backyard with a beautiful pool, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. With no HOA and a convenient location near shopping, schools, parks, and major highways, this home offers comfort and lifestyle. All measurements are approximate, buyer must verify. Schedule your showing today for more information.